Russia launches overnight drone and missile strikes on Ukraine, killing 7. Russia launched a barrage of drones and missiles in overnight attacks on Ukraine, targeting substations that supply two nuclear power plants and killing 7 people. Ukrainian Foreign Minister Andriy Sybiha said in a social media post that the strikes were not accidental but well planned, adding that Russia is deliberately endangering nuclear safety in Europe. According to Ukrainian officials, 3 people were killed and 12 were wounded in the city of Dnipro when a drone struck an apartment building. 3 others were killed in the southeastern Zaporizhia region, and one person died in the Kharkiv region farther north. Sorry. President Volodymyr Zelensky said that Russia had launched more than 450 drones and 45 missiles in the attacks. Earlier yesterday, Russia's defense ministry said it had carried out a massive strike using high precision long range air, ground, and sea based weapons, targeting weapon production and gas and energy facilities in response to Kyiv's strikes on Russian territory. Local media reported that blackouts persisted in at least two regions, Kharkiv in the northeast and Poltava in the central Ukraine. President Zelensky said sanctions pressure on Russia should be further intensified. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.